Yeah, hello everyone. Myself Maruti, welcoming you all to Ram Maruti Tutorials, your tutorials. Okay, in this concept, in this video, I'm going to explain a sum from progressions dealing with nth term. Of course, the progressions from the part arithmetic progressions. Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain you what's the nth term from the last. Always we deal the nth term from the beginning, right? In this video I'm going to derive the formula or let you know what is the formula coming from the last. Okay, and I'm going to solve a sum for you finding the 20th term of this series starting from the last, right? We are not checking from the beginning of the series, right? This fellow 3 is the first term from the beginning. This fellow is the second term from the beginning. Now we are not talking from the beginning. We are talking from the last. Who is the last person here? 253. He is the last person, right? Who is the second last? Means one before than 253. We don't know. We don't know. In the same way, who is the 20th term just before 253? We are not moving from here. We are moving from the back. That's the question. Find the 20th term from the end, not from the beginning. Okay. So let me derive the formula for you. Generally, what is AP series? Right, what is the AP series we take it as? As we all know, the series is A, and the next one is A plus D, the next one A plus 2D, and so on. And the last term is nothing but A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the general series of AP. Now, this last term is also called as L. Yes, we know it. And in this series, the first term is A. Yes, we got it. Now, when we are moving in this, from this side to this side, from the beginning, this becomes the nth term. Yes, An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now the question is, when we are moving from here, when we are making the first term as the last term, if you take this as, then what will be? The formula when we are moving from this direction, from beginning, if you go, from beginning, if you go, the formula is An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Right. Now, from the end, if you go from the end, how does it go? What is the formula? Straight away go. Now, in the place of A, if you move from here, we are getting first this one. Therefore, we kept A here. But if we are moving from this side, which is the first term, which is the one which we are getting at the beginning, it's nothing but L. Therefore, when we are moving from this direction, we start with A, and because we are able to see A as first. Now when we are moving from this direction, we are able to see L as first. Therefore, we deal with L plus obviously the formula N minus 1, and whatever it might be the series, if we are moving from this direction, if we are moving from the beginning, the common difference is D, and it is positive, right? If we are moving in this direction, difference is positive here, but when we are coming in the reverse direction, always the common difference here, as in this series, the common difference is minus D. When we are moving in this direction, if it is positive D, and if we are coming in the reverse direction, the difference will be negative. That's the obvious one. So here the difference is minus D. Right? We got it. But we can't keep the negative there. So let us simplify. An is equal to the plus into the minus. Plus into minus is becoming L plus into minus is minus N minus 1. Obviously the D. Okay, you got it what I mean. When we are moving from this direction, if the formula is, if the nth term is A plus N minus 1 into D, when we are coming from the end, the first one what we are able to see is L. Therefore, L. When we are moving from this direction, it is plus T. But when we are coming in the reverse direction, the common difference is minus T. Therefore, right here we have got it as minus T. But plus into minus, it's nothing but minus T. So guys, please remember, what's the formula, right? Nth term from the last, from the end, equals This is the formula. An is equal to L minus n minus 1 into d. I repeat, L minus n minus 1 into d. That is the formula for you. Hope you are able to understand. Now, let's use that formula and find the 20th term from the last. Okay. Now here, right from the series, we can straight away say A equals 3. That's fine. But we are least bothered with A now. So what do you want? The last term. The last term is 253. That's clear. Right. And what's the common difference here? The common difference, what we got? D is obviously A2 minus A1, 8 minus 3, which equals 5. Very good. Right. The D is 5. N. What is the nth term formula? A we got, D we got. Which term he want? The formula just now we have used. The formula nth term from last. From the end. What's the nth term from the end? Just now we have derived the formula. That is An equals L minus n minus 1 into d. That's the formula we got. But what we want? We need 20th term from the end. 20th term from the end. What's the formula from the end? A20 equals L. In the place of L, it's 253 minus, what is N here? 20 minus 1 into D. How much we got? It's 5. So we have substituted. Let's simplify that. So it's nothing but 253 minus 19 into 5. As we all know, it's nothing but 253 minus 19 5s. I think it's nothing but 95. And if you simplify, it's nothing but 158. So what we got? We got 20th term from the last, 20th from the end. The end is, how much we got? 158. So who is the 20th from the last? 20th term from the last. It's nothing but 158. So guys, I have derived the formula for you, the nth term from the last, and also I have given an example for you how to find 20th term from the last. Only one trick. When we are moving from the first, A comes first. But when we are moving from the end, L comes first. L. When we are moving from here, plus T. When we are coming from the back, it's nothing but minus. L minus n minus 1 into T. So here, plug in whatever you can, you will do it. So that's now nth term from the last. In this channel, I have been placing both math and science videos